Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to schedule a text message on your Mac. It's a really simple process, so let's get right to it. First, open the Messages application on your Mac. Then, select the contact you want to send a message to. Now, type your message as you normally would. Okay, here's the key part. To schedule your message, click on the plus icon next to the text field. You'll see an option that says Send Later, so click on that. This will bring up a calendar and time selector. Choose the date and time you want your message to be sent. Keep in mind that you can only schedule messages up to 2 weeks in advance. If you try to select a date further out, it'll automatically correct back to within the 2-week limit. Let's say I want to send this message at 1 a.m. I'll set the time accordingly. Once you've entered the desired time and date, simply click Enter. You'll know the message is scheduled because the text bubble will now appear as a dotted line. Pretty neat, right? Now, what if you need to edit the scheduled time or date? No problem. Just click on the Edit button located right above the message bubble. Then select Edit Time. From here, you can adjust the time and date as needed. One important thing to keep in mind, you can only schedule messages to other iPhone or Mac users. And that's it. That's how you schedule a text message on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tips and tricks.